Oh, me man or rock wawe, muso bono bui magadi.
Hey, we call on the weather. Who am I? You guys are coming on you walk here. What's I not get home? What to say? I don't know what I'm going to do. You for gala. And you know, I mean, I have no bonus of winner. And you never be a walking up.
Buried alive is a doom, sacrilege, tears, agony in the land of the gods. Buried alive is a doom, sacrilege, tears, agony in the land of the gods. Buried alive is a doom, sacrilege, tears, agony in the land of the gods. Buried alive is a doom, sacrilege, tears, agony in the land of the gods. Buried alive is a doom, sacrilege, tears, agony in the land of the gods. Buried alive.
Hey, what is happening here?
The prince.
Hey,
Oko.
you are back.
Congratulations.
Oh, Father,
Thank you, our gods.
I said it.
Who is back?
I said it.
Who did this to you?
Gods, we thank you.
What is happening?
Thank you, our gods.
Who is this?
Father, it's me, your son, Jose.
Jose.
Yes, Father.
Jose. My son. My son. Jose. Why, Jose? Why have you done this to me, Jose? Why did you do this to me, Jose?
Father, please, forgive me. I know what I did to me wasn't deliberate, but you might see it otherwise. When the issue came up, you joined them and I became afraid. That was why I was left with no choice than to leave. You know me right from my childhood. I have been a humble son of yours. I have never disobeyed you once. Please forgive me. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. I've come as a prodigal son, Father. Forgive me and accept me back, please. Please, I beg of you, forgive me for all the wrongdoings.
Please, my king.
Enuge, please forgive him.
Please.
Forgive and forget. Please.
Okay.
My king. Say no. Say no.
Oh, say.
It's okay.
Alright. How did this? You need not to beg me. You don't need to beg me. You need not to beg me to forgive him. Hey, Jose.
Yes, Father.
You know how much I love you.
Yes, Father.
That's why I know it's because of the pressure that was on you. Even I, your father, joined them in the race. And that's the reason why you left home.
It's okay.
My
It's
king.
okay.
Say no.
Okay.
Say no.
Okay.
Hey, Jose,
Yes, Father.
you would have been patient to see how things will go. To see the outcome. Jose,
I'm sorry, Father.
however, my son, the cow is crying loud. My days are so dark now that you cannot see. Darkness has taken all over me. However, Jose, I know you are a good son, Jose. The kingdom of this village is in your hands, Jose. In your decisions, always carry the people along.
Yes, Father.
When it's time for you to judge anyone, judge them right. Jose, you hear what I said?
Yes, Father.
The one that is wrong, let them know such a person is wrong. What to Caesar, give it to Caesar, and to Lord, unto Lord.
Yes, Father.
Never been words, say Jose. Can't you hear the voice of the cock?
Can you hear anything?
I'm not hearing anything, Father, please.
Nothing.
I can't hear anything, Father.
The voice. Yes. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Going where, Father?
What else would be one in there? Togi my for.
Father, please. I don't get you. What is the meaning of this? What are you trying to... I don't get you.
The cock has crown. I just can't hear the voice.
Father, stop all this now, please. Stop it.
The noise, Jose. The noise of the cock. The noise.
Mikey! Mikey!
Father, who goes in with that?
Mikey!
Hey!
It's finished.
Father!
My elders,
We got your logo.
it's finished.
Sacrilege, tears, agony in the land of the gods. Bury the Lord. Sacrilege, tears, agony in the land of the gods.
Uja Masumi, Uja Dodo.
Bury the Lord.
Our king is dead!
Sacrilege, tears, agony in the land of the gods. Bury the Lord. It's a doom. Sacrilege, tears, agony.
I guess this is what you have been waiting for over the years. This is what you ever wanted. Now you have gotten it. Wait for my rain.
Oh!
The king is dead!
Oh! Otemagwe.
Akpata, I hope you all are happy now.
My son, you are welcome.
I have come to thank you. I have come to thank you particularly. Now that my father is dead, I hope you all are happy now. But one thing is sure. This sorrow you have brought upon this land, with some of the elders, I will make sure you all have partaker of it.
It's really true, my in-law is dead.
Nobody's your in-law. You dare not call my father your in-law. I'm the only son of my parents. As such, you don't have any in-law there. Let me warn you. All your plans to force your daughter on me will not work. Over my dead body. It will not work. The rubbish laws you all join hands together to enact on this land when I become the next king. I am going to erase them. Now that you all join hands to touch the tails of the lion, the tails of the lion you all join hands together to touch, prepare to feel the pace of his claws. I run no more. If anybody want to dare me, you feel I'm a coward of the past, come to my house. Dare me, and you will see the other side of me.
Akpata.
Burying the life is a doom. Sacrilege, tears, agony in the land of the gods. Burying the life is a doom. Sacrilege, tears, agony.
But we delay too much. Look at the weather. And just look at the weather. Am I the cause?
Please, I'm sorry. I know I am the cause, but I have begged you people before now. Please, I'm sorry. Let's just fetch the water and go home, please.
My mother is waiting for me at home.
It's alright, it's alright. Let us fetch the water. Let us do it fast. The water is very cool.
Please, fast. I know my mother will be angry with me, but she's waiting for me at home. Please, let's go.
Please, let's all hurry up.
Because my pot is having
I can see that.
Sacrilege, tears, agony in the land of the gods. Burying the life is a doom. Sacrilege, tears, agony in the land of the gods. Burying the life is a doom. Sacrilege, tears, agony in the land of the gods. Burying the life is a doom. Sacrilege, tears, agony in the land of the gods. Burying the life is a doom. Sacrilege, tears, agony in the land of the gods. Burying the life is a doom. Sacrilege, tears, agony in the land of the gods.
Who knows that there's going to be rain today? You would have
Butter ourselves.
Exactly.
Hey, my sister. Hey there. Come to think of it. Both of them live together. Whereas one now return without the other.
Hey, Adesua, haven't you heard that Uwala was murdered by unknown faces?
Really? Who told you that?
He says you are not in this village.
Hey?
Adesua, what has gone round the whole village?
What?
Hey, that is not even the issue now. I overheard Eyorose speaking obviously that he's going to take revenge against the elders that caused this to him. I overheard him.
You don't mean it.
I heard it.
Eh? You mean Uwala died for the sake of love? Just like that. Hey,
my sisters, I wonder why they killed the girl and left the boy alive. It means something is wrong somewhere.
Exactly.
Wait,
Right.
my dear. Do you think this is ordinary? This is not an ordinary thing. Please, let's go before the rain meet us here. The end shall tell.
Well,
Wonder shall never end.
Well, may her soul rest in peace.
What a pity.
Sacrilege, yes, agony in the land of the gods. Buried alive is a doom. Sacrilege, yes, agony in the land of the gods. Buried alive is a doom. Sacrilege, yes.
Our ancestors, gods of the night, why? Voila, you were sacrificed for a sin you didn't commit. Please, our ancestors, avenge her death. Please. How will I ever forget you? Why? Well, wherever you are, gods of the night.
My prince. What again? It's okay now. You are still on this issue again. I know you will still be on this issue. This is why I have to come and check on you. It's okay. Please. It's supposed to be an issue of the past. This lamentation, it will not help. She will not come back again. Let's sit down, my prince. My prince, please. I've come to see you. Let's sit down. Please. I know, my prince. I know it pains.
You were the least expected. I hope all is well this night.
My prince, you know you are my best friend. Let's put this behind us and face the issue on ground. That is why I have come to see you this night. Please.
Issue on ground. What is it?
The elders have concluded that they will not crown you, not until you marry Ifike.
That is personal. What does me marrying to Efike have to do with my coronation?
That is what I'm saying.
It's personal.
It's what I heard, my prince. And the worst of all is that majority of the elders are standing by it. They said it was your father that made the law, and it has been existing for a very long time. With that, you must not be left out, my prince.
You see, we have so many laws on ground. Agofe,
my prince.
These are some of the mistakes the elders and my father made in time past. And I'm going to change them. I'm going to eradicate them and make sure that I enact my own laws. These are some of the laws. I don't like it.
I know, my prince. I know you have the power to set up your own principles. But how are you going to achieve that when you are not following the rules on ground? That's the problem. Listen, my prince. Please, do not let the issue of a woman destroy your destiny. And besides, your father in heaven will not be happy seeing his kingdom folding up. Please, my prince, be reasonable. You know I'm your best friend. I will also be happy to see your happiness, so that I will become the friend of a king. Please, my prince, please, I suggest you marry Efike, so that peace will reign and let the gods fight for you. I beg you, my prince.
You don't need to beg me. It's an issue I don't want to revisit. I have vowed, I have promised to Waila, the woman of my dream, which I never had.
For me to marry Efike, I'd rather remain single and forget about the coronation and crown. I can never, so that neither of them will have me as a husband. Voila. Beautiful soul.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, my prince. I know that it pains. It's okay.
Wherever you are.
It's okay. Get up, get up. Come on,
Your gentle soul.
It's okay.
In the bosom of the Lord.
Please.
No, wait. If I should go inside, I will still be thinking alone. I just want to do some fresh air here, please.
I don't want to leave you alone here
it's okay.
now. I don't want to leave you alone.
If you feel you want to go home, you can. But right now, I just want to remain here for some time. Anytime I close my eyes, I see her beautiful smiles. I see her loving kindness towards my soul.
My elders, I greet you all. The reason for this meeting is it is now 3 months since the king joined his ancestors. There is an adage that says in Benin, besides, that is why we are here.
That is true. A child is a pillar of the home. We all know that whoever wants to have a post in this village must be screened very well. That is all I have to say.
That's correct.
My elders, I greet you all.
Thank you, my brother.
Nobody is dragging his father's true with him. Nobody. We all know that the son of the king inherits his father's property.
That is true.
But let us remember the issue on ground before the king's death. What we said before. I think we all agreed that if our son here fails to marry the girl he impregnated, yes. He can never be crowned as the king of this kingdom. And he can never rule over us. That's right. Isn't that what we agreed?
Yes.
So don't let us forget in a hurry.
The way you are right.
That is true. We the elders, we are giving you 1 month. Just 1 month to decide for yourself. If you cannot turn around and abide by our words, we know what to do. Because we cannot live like sheep who has no shepherd at all. No, we cannot.
No. You spoke well.
Thank you.
My elders, I greet you all.
Thank you.
Come, my son. Before you invited me, I've read your countenance and I know what lies within your heart. If you are saying that if I cannot marry Efeke, you will not crown me, forget it. It's because of this your unselfish attitude, devilish heart, that led to the death of my father. And let it be known now that between you elders and I, the battle line has just been drawn. And we are waiting.
It has been the law of this land.
It can never be changed.
It can never be changed. Not for you.
We shall see. We shall see.
So it shall be like that.
Ibiwe.
The law.
Chief Ibiwe.
Yes.
To pack all your grounds and come and be having meeting with the prince without notifying me.
I said it before.
I said it. That we should inform him.
Will you shut up your mouth and keep quiet? And learn to be a man that you are.
Sorry, my brother.
You are not man enough to say that.
Don't be offended.
Who is supposed to a gathering like this when he doesn't have anything reasonable to contribute to us? To come and decide what? We all know fully well that he can't impose better. Why should we invite him? He can't impose better.
At all, my brother.
So your attention is something.
All right. Now listen. Ibiwe. Yes, you have decided to disregard me. I want to tell you this. If what you are doing now is right, may our ancestors bless you. Amen. But if wrong, the ancestor shall befall you.
Same to you. Same with you. It is our ancestor that will kill you.
And you too.
Who are you? Do you think you are?
And you too.
Who are you in a gathering like this? Who are you?
It's okay. Because you are a destroyer.
As far as a meeting like this is concerned, your
Why
attention is not needed. You must be a madman. You must be a very stupid man.
You are a madman. You are a madman.
Says why should we call you to a meeting?
Shut up your mouth.
And we don't need
I said shut up your mouth.
We have said it. We have said it. I stand. If our son here fails to marry the girl impregnated, he can never be the king of this kingdom. Is that what we agreed on?
Yes. Because it has been the law on ground ever since.
Until you
so
you
cannot be exempted from it.
We cannot serve you.
He must abide to it. He must.
You will never have peace in your life. Never. I've said it.
My elder, I have to sincerely thank you. I never knew in trials like this, I will still have somebody that will defend my right. But one thing I know for sure, in our own kingdom, kingship is not bought, rather is hereditary. I'm heir apparent by the divine God Almighty. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my friend.
Haven't you heard they will not crown Eyeze? Really? Because of what? Don't you know what has been on ground? That Eyeze should marry Efike even before the death of the king. They are preventing him from his rights except he marry Efike.
It's not because of that. Let them say what they have in mind. What that got to do with woman in king's issue?
Don't you know some kind of people we have in this kingdom?
Maybe some of them hide that crown. That is why they are bringing past issue.
I said some of them were surprised when Eyeze came.
Really? They were surprised.
Yes, agony in the land of the gods, burying alive. Is it true? Sacrilege. Yes, agony in the land of the gods, burying alive. Is it true? Sacrilege. Yes, agony in the land of the gods, burying alive.
Are you sure?
Yes, agony in the land of the gods, burying alive. Is it true? Sacrilege.
Don't harm me. Please.
Where's your son?
I beg you people.
Speak!
I don't know where it is. Please. Whatever you need, I will provide it.
Keep quiet. Where is your son, Eyeze?
Please, please.
I said, where's your son?
I don't know where it is.
Okay, you don't want to talk.
Whatever you need, I will provide
You
it.
don't want... Okay.
Please don't kill me. Please, I beg you. I beg you.
Yes. So what next? What do we do now? What kind of question is that? Let's search further.
Get inside and search for Eyeze right now.
Yes, sir.
Burying alive. Is it true? Sacrilege. Yes, agony in the alive is a doom. Sacrilege, yes, agony in the land of the gods. Buried alive is a doom. Sacrilege, yes, agony in the land of the gods. Buried alive is a doom. Sacrilege, yes, agony in the land of the gods.
Is this a dream or reality?
Notano? Iyo same! Ono Kanya!
What is Okanya? How did she ask? She said Okanya. As you are widely open your mouth, is it not clear to you now?
Does this really exist? Helfra or milk?
Nothing like her body was hurt!
What is going on here? What is the matter? Hey, Mama! Grandmother!
Notane?
What's the matter?
Notano?
Why is it nobody is talking to me? Hey, Yozeo! Where's the Yozeo?
My sister, you are just asking the same way we have asked when we came in. But the only one that could have spoken to us is a Jose, but he's nowhere to be found.
Hey! Where is he?
Oh gods of our land, what is going on in our land?
Where is our faith? Where is our faith in this land? Who might have done this to our land? Ask me, Mama, ask me. Hey! Gods of our land, save our souls!
Erita, tell you that. No one is restricted from practicing evil, but should be ready to face the full wrath of the gods in due course. The gods never bias if the world does. As we speak now, the heir apparent to the throne is buried alive in the forest.
My prince! Oh, my lord!
I want to tell this to you today. We are weeping. We are weeping. Shed tears, but with double mind in some of us. But I put it before you today that the ground will see the anus in due course. Thus says the gods of our land.
Hey, Jose, the priest has spoken.
What are you still waiting for?
I'm some prince.
Let's go! Hey, Jose!
Sacrilege, tears, agony in the land of the gods, buried alive is a doom. Sacrilege, tears, agony in the land of the gods, buried alive is a doom. Sacrilege, tears, agony in the land of the gods, buried alive is a doom. Sacrilege, tears, agony in the land of the gods, buried alive.
Mom! This seems to be my daughter's voice. Mom! Mama, Mom! What? What is it? Why are you shouting? Who is after you?
Mom, guess.
What?
Guess what is happening?
Look here, my daughter. I don't have time and strength to waste this time. If you have anything to tell me, go ahead and tell me. Look at the way you are breathing. What is it?
The king's wife.
What?
The king's wife was found dead this morning.
What? What are you talking about? Which of the king?
How many kings do we have in our land?
You mean the late king, Eyoze's mother?
Of course now.
Hey! I'm finished! It can't happen over my dead body. My friend, how did it happen? One who is not sick that I promised on this next fall when we met yesterday night? Ha! Hey!
Mom, that's not even the issue right now.
What? What?
The horrible part of it is that the chief priest has come out to say that Eyose is being buried alive in the deep forest.
Hey! I'm getting nervous. My daughter, I can't believe what you are saying to me now. I'm getting nervous. My daughter, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go.
Tell me what's happening in our life.
Buried alive, is a tomb, sacrilege, tears, agony in the land of the gods. Buried alive, is a tomb, sacrilege, tears, agony in the land of the gods. Buried alive, is a tomb, sacrilege, tears, agony.
Ibiwe, I have come to see you. Akpata, I hope all is good.
Of course. All is good. You know I'm a complete man.
Yes.
My hands, my legs.
I know.
You know there is no gathering in this community that I don't speak.
Yes, I am aware of that.
So, some people are saying that...
but I just go straight to the point. I'm aware of that.
My point is that some people are saying that if I'm being given a title, that it will not fit me.
Who is saying all those rubbish? Who is saying so when you have the body of a leader? That's not correct.
You are one of them.
I one of them?
Yes.
God forbid. I know nothing about it. Is it day or night? I think I've never said anything like that. Are you sure of what you are saying?
If so,
Akpata, stop speaking in parables. Why these riddles? Hit the hammer on the nail. Go straight to the point. Are you not a man?
Okay.
Sit down.
Okay. Ibiwe. As you can see, for long now, the king has joined his ancestors.
I think I'm aware of that.
Only God knows what led to the death of his wife. Even that of his son, Eyose, that is missing. Only God knows what transpired. Are you getting me?
Akbata, I still don't understand the area you are driving at.
Okay. Ibiwe.
Akbata, go straight to the point.
Now that my daughter has given birth to a male child in that palace,
yes,
I am not part of the family left. Why won't you allow me to take over the throne in respect of the male child my daughter has? Akbata!
What? Ikmema big you are there. I don't have a hand in what you are saying. I won't be part of it.
Ibiwe. Ikmema big you are now. So, what takes a strong decision when the preferable is not available? We can't allow this land like a sheep without shepherd. Look, if you people give me the crown, thereafter, if I not choose my cabinet, I'm going to give you the highest position in that cabinet. Do not let this opportunity pass us by. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Ibiwe, it's our turn to shine. It's our turn to shine. Do you hear what I'm saying now? Think about it.
Ibiwe, Akpata himself came to me in respect of this 3 days ago. For this, I want us to support him and crown him because it is our turn to climb higher.
In as much as I believe you, there is an adage in Benin that says, Ego magari azuzu.
That is it. That is where we are now.
It is our time to shine.
Exactly.
I have thought it wise that if we now crown Akpata as the king of this land, we are not big guys.
Big guys. Big guys. We shall handle this very well at the council. Let us have one man that very day.
Speaking over this issue at the council is even another statement.
How do you mean?
Who are the elders? Who are the people? Who are the people talking in the committee. Who are the guys making laws as far as the meeting is concerned? Are we not the guys talking?
Yes.
If we are the one talking, we'll make law to benefit us.
Oh, yes.
So leave that aside. We have said it all.
You know why? So that they don't say we have conspired.
There's no conspiracy here. There's no conspiracy. Who the cap fits, there's a way.
That's all.
My friend, go in there and bring something for me to drink.
Let me bring.
Because I'm happy now.
How is it?
It's cough celebration.
Celebration
Give
time.
me something to drink.
I will do that.
The one that is in the keg bottle.
You know.
Yes, I should have a sign up for me. So, not all the time we'll just be looking at ourselves, the Jews have done. This time around, we'll take the broom by the horn.
I'm still wondering why some of our elders are still supporting Akpata to become. Now the priest has not come out to tell us what to do next. To me, I suggest we should be patient, to seek his face and know the right thing to do.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you.
You have spoken well, my brother. You have all heard from Edion.
Yes.
And that is final.
Thank you. I'm in support of that.
Besides, we are not babies. I don't see any reason why we should put tradition aside.
Never!
It
can never happen.
God forbid.
Never happen. That cannot.
As for me, Ebose, to support Akpata and offend the gods of this land,
God forbid.
I'd rather die. I'd rather die a natural death than allowing the horrific death of the gods of this land to approach me. Never. It can't happen.
I am in support of what you just said. Thank you, my brother.
You will really die.
Oh, yes.
Will you shut up your mouth? Get up there. You shall die.
Yes.
You shall die horribly.
Look, Ebose.
Is it because of you I came into this world? Is it because of you? Ask him.
A foolish man can never understand. Well, I don't have your time. Akpata, I don't have your time today. All I want you to know is you will reap what you sow when the time comes. Who are you to preside over this land? To be made the head? Who are you? Anyway, let me leave you. I don't have your time.
Akpata, your words are words of threat. Stop it. Thank you. We can never allow calamity to befall this land.
That's it.
Never.
Thank you.
Ebose,
your time is up. Yes. You shall go home. You are prepared to go home. Time is up. You shall join your ancestors. Oh yes. You are next. Prepare to go home. You. It's your time to die.
Don't worry. The gods will not allow that. The gods will not allow it.
Don't worry.
Look at, imagine, fighting for power. We can never allow calamity to befall this land.
Never.
Never. Our evildoers. The gods will never allow this to be.
Iseri, have you come across such a thing in your life?
I wonder about it, Adesuwa. I wonder, my sister. Adesuwa, is it not what has not happened that some people want to implement in this land? I'm tired though.
You know, I told you the other time that perhaps some people are eyeing that crime.
You truly said it.
Where are we now? But this is not going to happen. Neither day nor night. By the power of the ancestor.
He said.
It is also a forbidden thing to this land. Tell no. It is the king's son that inherits his father's crown.
But if you look at it the other way around, we cannot just remain like this. No Yoba, we will know Yoba. There is no more.
Then you should not give Akpata. Is that what you mean? Eh? Tell me, is Akpata part of the family? I'm asking you.
You know his daughter has a child in that kingdom. That is why I say so.
That is correct. But this one you just said, who knows what transpired? Eh? Because since the issue of your son, he pregnant my daughter, he must marry her. That was how a whole family got perished.
Really take a look at. I really see.
Hey, Vanamela la viepo. I commend some elders who disagree to crying.
Yes, because the right thing must be done. We must stand by the rules to save the land from calamity.
You are correct. We must stand. We must stand by the rules. But one thing I strongly believe, no fear or by queen.
You have said it all.
The gods will prevail justice. My dear, we shall see later.
We will see when we come back from the farm.
Our gods, our ancestors, what is befalling us? What is happening in our land? Please help us, help us, help us, God, help us. Why are you guys moving as if there's something after you?
Mama, what we came across, we are not see such since we were born.
My children, is it not also about fire?
Yes, Mama.
Can you imagine, Mama? A very big fire, which does not have size. We could not have our way to the river.
Who will dare it? Eh? Who will dare it? Who can walk through a burning fire? Nobody. Nobody. Mama, the way I sense it, that fire is not an ordinary fire.
At all.
Mama, you need to quickly inform the elders. Please, you need to go and see it yourself. Because you will not understand what you are talking about.
At all. I understand very well. I know what you're talking about. Can't you see I'm returning from the bush? We can also access the farm. The fire is still burning. They're burning.
You don't mean it. What is happening in our land? Gods of our land. What is happening?
People are there, including some elders, witnessing it. My dear children, I can't stay. I'm going. I can't stay here. I'm going.
What is happening in our land? Hey, my sisters, let's go there and see.
All right,
let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Move. Let's go.
Hey, what's happening? What is this?
What is this? Look at this way too. It's also burning.
What is the meaning of all this?
This is incredible. Everywhere is burning.
What's of our land?
I don't want you.
Yes?
Don't you think someone have set ablaze this place? It could be those boys hunting for rabbit that might have done this.
I don't think so. This fire is not ordinary fire. Take a look at it very well.
Just look at it.
Can't you see? It is not increasing in size, neither is it reducing.
Yes.
It's only burning in circles.
Oh, I see. I can really see. I thought it might have been those boys hunting for rabbit.
Usiomata, this is a sign, and something must be done before it is too late.
Yes. But why must he be the road to farm?
That is why I said it is not ordinary.
Yes.
As you can see, no one can dare it.
No one can walk through.
Because it is the only road that leads to all the farms.
What can we do now?
Well, thank God it is almost getting to the time in which we can enter the priest's territory to seek his face. But first of all, let us go and inform the rest of the elders about what is happening here.
Yes. Really?
We have to go and inform them.
In time.
It is true.
What is it?
What again?
My elders, it is same at the riverside.
Hey! You mean this same fire is burning at the riverside?
Yes.
You see? That is why I said we have to go and inform the rest of the elders. We are in trouble.
Trouble.
Each and every one of you must go to your various houses and remain indoors. Remain indoor. I've told all of you. Remain indoor. Let us go immediately. Let's go. Let's go. Hurry up and leave. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. We are in trouble. Oh.